How to turn on live captions on Chrome on Android. This tutorial shows you how to enable live captions while browsing or watching videos in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your Android device. Tap on the three dots at the top right to open the Chrome menu. From there, tap on Settings. At this point, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. From there, tap on Captions. After that, toggle on Show Caption to enable it. In the next step, select More Options. You may be given option to download the live caption language files. Tap on one to proceed. Keep in mind, live captions are generated on device, so they work without an internet connection, but accuracy may vary depending on the clarity of the audio and the speaker. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn on live captions on Chrome, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.